Hello, welcome back to the 12th week of weight loss journey. You can achieve 10 kg of weight loss just in 3 months without any expensive procedures or slimming injection. I showed you in the last 12 weeks how I managed to lose this weight with the help of diet, exercise and cognitive behavioral therapy. My name is Dr. Chitra. I am one of the GPs working near London. I am also a certified partner in the National Weight Loss Program. For the new viewers, I'll briefly describe about this free structured weight loss program. All these approaches are scientifically proven and NHS is using this approach in their weight management surveys. For the first 4 weeks, I focused on draining the extra fat from my body. I put this as a stage 1, that is fat burning weeks. Fat burning approach is a vigorous weight loss method. I lost about 10 pounds of weight in 4 weeks time. This approach is scientifically proven to drain the excess fat around your tummy very quickly and effectively. During these weeks, I showed my diet plan, what I ate as well as when I ate. Next is exercise. I explained how to reach the fat burning heart rate to drain your excess fat effectively with the help of exercise. I also explained how long as well as what exercise to do and how often you need to do that per week. Last but not least is a cognitive behavioral therapy. I explained how to sustain your weight loss journey by disciplining your behavior towards food. In the first 4 weeks, we focused on a personalized plan to find out what triggers you and how to manage it. The second phase of the weight loss journey is called healthy ketosis. I explained about the science behind the healthy ketosis. In the second phase, I showed the diet plan, what I followed, and what nutrient and calories I took to maintain a healthy ketosis. In exercise, I showed how we started focusing on stretching a specific group of muscles to make sure you involve all your joints and muscles to tone your body. Then we started focusing on functional exercise so that the whole body is working out. In the cognitive behavioral therapy, I showed you how to create rules so we never fail in our weight loss journey. If you recollect your previous weight loss journey, you might have definitely lost some weight, but you regained those weight in the next few months' time. This is because you might not have a structured plan for the weight loss journey, or you followed a single approach, for example ketosis, so that you just got bored in few weeks time and quit the plan, or you might have some underlying health conditions which stop you losing weight. That is the main reason I started this free structured weight loss program. I used various approaches and explained the science behind the approach so you understand weight loss is not just focusing on the numbers on the scale. It is how to build your body and habits to maintain a healthy weight for lifelong. If you have not watched the previous videos, please subscribe and start watching from the first video and start the journey from today. Alright, this is the last week of healthy ketosis and I have followed the same diet as well as the exercise approach which I followed for the last 8 weeks time. About the cognitive behavioral therapy, which is more important than the diet and exercise, I want to stress a very important rule for your life. It is time for me to celebrate my 10 kg of weight loss. Usually we celebrate any achievement with food. For example, going out for a dinner or alcohol. Celebrating achievement is a healthy habit so that we are stimulating our rewarding cycle. The brain will stimulate us to achieve more and more. But if we celebrate with the food, we unnecessarily end up eating extra unwanted, unhealthy diet. So important rule is never celebrate any achievements with food. So you are not stimulating your rewarding cycle with the food. I celebrated my achievement by visiting a spa nearby. I never had a time off and spent a time for myself in a pampering event. So I feel this is the best way to treat myself. Similarly, you can take different approach to celebrate your weight loss or any achievement. For example, go for an event or buy something special to you. So whenever you see the picture of the event or the special stuff, that helps your brain to stimulate the rewarding cycle to achieve more. So this week rule is never celebrate any achievement with food. You have plenty of better options. Alright. Most of us stop our weight loss journey when we reach our weight loss goal. But if I am not continuing my weight loss journey, I will put on this 10 kg in the next few weeks time. So the third stage is going to be how we are going to maintain our weight for lifelong. I will discuss how to maintain a healthy weight by building some lean muscles, bring some structure to your body, and slowly introduce healthy habits so that you choose healthier option and you don't need to diet anymore. From next week onwards, I'm going to start a new diet as well as an exercise plan. In cognitive behavioral therapy, we are going to look into how to get back on track if we fail to continue our weight loss journey. I also want to share my healthy recipes which you can make in under 5 minutes, farm to fork under 5 minutes prep by avoiding all the preservatives and start a new healthy habits. That's all for this week. Please subscribe to this channel and thumbs up and click the notify button. I'll see you next week with a new challenge. Take care, bye.